Today we're going to be looking at Peter and the Starcatcher, which is the story of how Peter Pan became Peter Pan. The story originated as a book by Dave Barry and Ridley Pearson. It then became a play that performed on Broadway in 2012. Let's look at how the two compare and what creative liberties the director of the play may have taken. In the book, we see minimalist illustrations. As seen in this picture, the authors clearly leave it to the readers to use their imagination to imagine what the setting and characters look like, using the descriptions they provide. This story mainly centers around Peter, who becomes unlikely friends with a Starcatcher named Molly. In the play, despite there being two female roles, there's only one female actress. She plays Molly. The other actors will play several roles, including Molly's nanny. The play also has a slightly more comedic take on this story. To better understand how this story went from the page to the stage, let's take a look at some clips from the play.
That's the rule. And so the story begins.
So these two are similar in many ways. The play does a good job of staying true to the original plot and characters of the book. The play also stays true to letting the readers or audience use their imaginations, as they have minimal sets and mainly use things like ropes and pipes to build sets around them to tell the story. The biggest difference between the play and the book is that in the play, there is a more romantic relationship between Peter and Molly. In the video, we see the two exchange a kiss. Whereas in the book, they're just an unlikely pair of friends who fight to protect the star stuff from the pirate Blackstash. The play also has a more comedic take on the story, with running jokes, and the beginning of Act 2 the cast dresses up as mermaids, and just overall a sillier take, whereas the book takes the story very seriously.